G'day everyone, welcome back to this three-part series about developing a drone program for your business. This video will be diving deep into developing your drone fleet, specifically talking about the hardware. When deciding on what drones might best suit your company's needs, there are two important things to consider: cost versus capabilities. You must ensure your drone investment also adds value and efficiency to your company, especially if you're looking at a large deployment of pilots and drones. Remember, you don't always need to get the biggest and most expensive drone on the market to make an impact on your capabilities. Sure, those drones serve their purpose, but for a lot of industries, the new drones are becoming more versatile and compact as the technology evolves. For example, the thermal camera in the H20T has very similar specifications as the Mavic 3 Thermal, in which they both share the same resolution. And the Mavic 3 Thermal is a fraction of the cost, weighs under 2 kilos, it's foldable and highly portable. That's why we want to highlight the Mavic 3 Enterprise series and how it can be the perfect drone for your everyday business needs. So let's dive into these drones, shall we? The Mavic 3 Enterprise is designed and engineered for centimeter accurate aerial surveying and high quality visual inspections, and to be able to do things like this for asset inspections. It's also the first DJI drone since the Phantom 4 RTK that has a mechanical shutter built into the camera system, but more on that later. Not just for surveying purposes, the Mavic 3 Enterprise is equipped with a 20 megapixel camera and a 12 megapixel zoom camera, making inspections close up or at a safe distance very achievable. The biggest attraction to this drone is the speed of which surveying and modeling work can be achieved. The top speed of a survey flight comes in at 15 meters a second, which is 54 kilometers an hour or 33 miles per hour. And this is achieved by a mechanical shutter and the quickest capture intervals on the market. The Mavic 3 Enterprise shooting interval time is fast as one capture every 0.7 seconds. Here's an example of the Mavic 3 Enterprise in real time, capturing images as it blitzes through at maximum speed of 15 meters a second. This speed will enable you to cover more ground quicker, which means less time in the air. From an inspection point of view, the 56 times zoom lens enables you to capture objects safely at a distance. From a capabilities point of view, we believe this drone is the most versatile for a range of industries and applications. The DJI Mavic 3 Thermal is built with public safety, search and rescue, inspections, and thermal mapping in mind. As the name suggests, the key differentiator between the Mavic 3 Thermal and the Enterprise is the addition of a radiometric thermal sensor that has up to 28 times digital zoom. And this has the same telezoom camera found in the Mavic 3 Enterprise, so it helps achieve that 56 times hybrid zoom. It's powerful, lightweight, and portable, perfect for law enforcement, first responders, and thermographic inspections. The applications for the Mavic 3 Thermal can include farming practices such as livestock monitoring, environmental protection like counting koalas or endangered species, solar inspections, and of course search and rescue. Speaking purely from a cost point of view, obviously the larger the drone, the more expensive the price point will be. On the larger end of the scale, you will not only be buying the aircraft, but also accessories, attachments, payloads, software, and multiple batteries, all of which can add up to a hefty price tag. A few things to consider when calculating the costs would be the return on investment and the return on saving money, resources, and time for your business. As mentioned earlier, the thermal camera on the H20T and Mavic 3 Thermal both share the same resolution. So when considering the H20T by itself, it's over double the price of the Mavic 3 Thermal. You're also getting the benefit of having a small drone to do the work of a larger one. The additional accessories that both of these drones can carry, which you may want to consider, is number one, a loudspeaker for one-way communication, which can be an essential tool during certain emergency scenarios, and most importantly, the RTK module, which you can obtain a very high level of accuracy when used with the DRTK2 base station. Both use the DJI 2 Pilot app, which has some advanced features also found in the M30 and the M300, such as waypoint navigation, oblique and linear mapping, and also other functionalities such as timestamps, data security measures, obstacle avoidance, GPS pins, and much more. One last thing to consider, unlike recreational drone use, is industrial applications have more chances to incur damage, wear and tear, and require more maintenance. The DJI maintenance program, which is an aircraft service plan, includes a basic inspection of your drone, updates, calibrations, deep cleans, core components, part replacements, and maintenance reports. It's worth ensuring that your equipment is well maintained for both reliability in the field and to also get the most accurate results. We now use both the Mavic 3 Enterprise and the Thermal in our daily operations as our first go-to drone. They are more than capable to perform in multiple industries and can deliver accurate and fast results at a lower investment. These drones are a fantastic entry point when considering using drones for your business, but it's not just capturing the images and data that's important. In the next video, we'll be looking at software available for processing this data and to give you the best possible results for your business. See you guys in the next one.